Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to make a compost bin from a trash can. Now there's lots of easy ways that you can make a compost bin, and pretty much any type of box with holes in it will make into a compost bin. You can use tote bins even. But when you're using a trash can, you can use a really large can or you can use a small one. And the trick is just to drill holes at least every 6 to 10 inches. And so make at least 3 layers of holes all the way through the bottom so that the water will drip out. And keep your bin outside. And make holes underneath and then all sides. So once you've gotten holes into your trash can, make sure to keep a top on it and keep it outside. And then just add grass clipping, leaf clippings, any type of vegetables or fruits that you're not using, any of the greens that you're not using, and make sure to chop everything up into little pieces and mix everything at least evenly so that you have dry and wet material together. So even shredded newspapers, shredded bills, any shredded paper you can add to it as well. Leaves and green, anything that's organic you can add to your pile. And make sure and chop it up into little pieces. And shake your trash can periodically so that everything continually is mixed up. And add a little bit of water if it's too dry. And if it smells in any way, then dry it out more by adding more paper to it. And then that way it'll air out a little more. And you can roll it on the ground if it's a round garbage can and mix it up, or you can just shake it yourself. But you'll find within 30 to 60 days, most vegetables that are cut up into little pieces will gradually decompose and make black gold for you. That is the great compost that you can use with your plants. So you don't have to have a big compost pile outside to compost at home.